guys, it's Monica Heavenly here, joined by Jocelyn Nerd, my nerd, and Taylor Rose, my lovely darling. Anyways, today we will be doing the food challenge where we both will be giving each other 5 foods and we have to guess what it is, and some of them are probably really raunchy. You can you can click a link below to get Taylor and Jocelyn's video, and I mean it was pretty weird at times. We were kind of
all over the place.
Yeah, let's get started and have fun, you guys.
Wait, is it on here already?
Oh no.
No? Oh, okay, this is old.
Yeah, that's from the last video. It doesn't matter though. This is what she said.
Is it pepper?
Oh my god, it's
Yeah, it's pepper. It's all pepper. You guys can eat it if you want.
Yeah, no.
I'm scared too. I think
Yeah, no.
Really? You just can't do that? I do
No.
that all the time.
Oh.
Yeah, okay, so here.
Wait, house?
This
Wait,
is
you
from
grab
the
me.
house.
Wait.
This?
Yeah, that's,
This.
yes. That
Oh,
little
no,
black
this is
one.
some
Oh
seasoning
my
crap.
god, did you just put it in?
Pepper?
It's pepper!
I'm removing my thing. See, I knew it. I put it in my mouth and I was just like, oh, this is something you have to break open. I'm not doing that. It's the one. You have the shaker, huh?
Yeah, she does.
Oh, no,
I just figured it out.
That's
Hey,
funny.
you guys ready for us to
I
I was like, never
It
mind.
was from my own house and I decided to bite into it. Oh my god.
No, it's funny.
Okay, you guys, this is the final one, and this one will probably ruin our friendship.
Oh my god, I'm
Because
scared.
the pepper did it already?
I invited to it.
I
so.
guess. So,
Alright.
that was your fault for biting on me.
True that though.
Okay, so you guys.
Oh my God.
I don't want you guys to like dunk this in your mouth, Jocelyn, okay? Just.
Is it edible?
It's edible! Yes!
Wait,
of
is it a
course,
liquid?
edible. No, it's a paste.
Okay.
It's a paste.
Is it wasabi?
That doesn't.
paste?
Fucking bitch. Just taste it.
Okay. Oh, it's like, okay. It's right here. Okay.
Wait, so it is a wasabi thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a wasabi paste.
I don't want to.
That's why I knew it would ruin our
can't.
friendship. I was
I actually like wasabi.
At first, I was like, maybe I should just not tell them and then let them put it in their mouth. But then,
You should
like,
let us. That would have been funny.
last time I did that to my brother, he cried for like 2 hours.
Yeah, I can't even. It's like, I'm afraid of it. Like, it's a spider. So I can't.
French kissing.
I like wasabi.
I like wasabi too. Oh, it's not even as bad as in Japan though. It's pretty
Really?
worse. Because they use real horseradish.
Really? My mom likes horseradish. This one should be okay for you guys.
want a piece of heaven?
Yes.
Let's
Do you understand how many times I get that? Like, I get that, can I get a piece of heaven? Why don't you open heaven's gates for me? And I'm like, that's awkward
Okay.
and gross.
Monica, put your hand out. Don't eat it yet. It's a spoon.
It's a spoon.
Just a spoon. Jocelyn, give me your hand.
Can I smell it?
I guess.
Oh,
It's
oh
a-
shit.
Okay, there. You can put it in your mouth.
Is it a peach?
Oh.
No.
No, it's like the orange.
Oh yeah, the little
Yeah.
mandarin.
Oh, it's under. It's. Oh, I opened it upside down. Awkward. It's mandarin oranges.
Yeah, I have these for lunch all the time.
Okay, this one's gonna can go on your
Well, fries are
napkin?
potatoes and ketchup's a, tomato.
Don't touch. Don't touch it.
Don't touch.
Don't touch it. Not touchy
Not
touchy.
patchy.
Not touchy touchy.
Wait, where do I put it?
You can just put the thing down.
My hand? Or the
One
tissue?
second.
Can I go?
Yes, you can.
Wait, is it on the
Yes.
tissue? Where?
Jocelyn, you just touched it.
I did? Wait,
Yeah.
this?
Oh my god, are these pistachios?
No.
No, no pistachios.
Peanuts?
It's a nut. Yes.
Almonds?
No. No.
So they're not pistachios?
No. It's Asian. You guys should know this.
Oh shit, I don't know.
I guess not a nut. I don't know how you call this nut.
A pine nut? I don't know.
Bean?
No, I guess they're not nuts. I don't know.
I know what this is.
You guys should know what this is. Right?
Oh, I know what it is.
It
I
tastes like a pistachio to me.
No, it's not pistachio. It's really good. Phew!
I was waiting for it.
I don't know.
I don't know the name. I just know the taste.
It's edamame.
Oh,
I have it in that freaking little packet where I got the wasabi peas. What the heck?
That's funny. It's a powder though, so.
is it cocaine?
Oh yeah. Brown one.
Is it Molly?
Ooh,
Brown. Brown?
Don't put it in your mouth yet.
Oh, then I already know what it is if it's brown.
I know how I can't give it away.
Yeah, it's hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate mix.
Yeah.
You taste it. Should be good.
We should make hot chocolate.
I have some. You're not gonna want to put this whole thing in your mouth, but I'm gonna pour some in your hand. Okay, now you guys can put it in your mouth, do whatever, just don't put all of it in your mouth at the same time.
What?
Oh, it's like the salsa packets that you get at like Pizza Hut.
Salsa.
Like pepper. It's like
Yeah,
the
pepper.
It's the pepper.
Crushed red pepper.
Yeah, crushed red pepper.
Oh.
Yeah, I put this on my pizza all the time.
It's from Round Tables.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. I think so. Somewhere like that.
Oh, what the heck?
And I am done.
Alright,
Nice.
first one. Give me
Is
your
it
hand.
Oh. Oh my god.
And you can taste it.
Oh my god. Stop. Fudge? This is like a what?
You guys don't know.
Was it Kool-Aid?
Yeah.
I have to even blindfold it. Oh, no, I can't have it. You know why I know this? Because I have done this before. When I was little, I used to like just put water in it and just lick it and stuff.
Alright, here's.
Oh my god, I actually bit into it.
Oh.
Alright, guys, done? Because I have another one.
Can I
Yeah.
get some water?
Yeah. Hold up. Give me a sec. Grab it. There you go. Don't eat it yet.
No, not yet.
Is it
Now.
decent?
And now. Yeah, taste it.
Is this sweet and sour sauce?
No, but it is sweet.
It's the soy, oh god, I don't know the name of it.
Is that
It's
stuff-
what you dub lumpia in.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
I was to say, this is what you put your lumpia, or like your wontons.
I don't know what
if
it's
you guys
called.
call wontons anymore.
I never found the name for this. What is it?
You know the name, Monica?
No.
Oh.
Alright, it's called banana sauce.
Oh,
It's called
that,
banana
that
sauce?
sounds
Banana
familiar.
sauce.
That does sound familiar.
Okay, now what is it?
It's really good. Actually, I love this stuff.
Is it Nutella?
No.
Is it me? Is it me?
Oh yeah, it's so you.
Is it? Okay, wait, yeah, eat it.
Yeah, eat it.
Cookie butter.
Mm-mm.
Peanut butter.
You're almost there.
Oh my god, it's a fork. Ow.
Sorry.
What
Is
is it?
it
It's peanut butter, but it's something else too. It's another flavor.
peanut butter chocolate?
Yeah.
Reese's
Peanut butter
Pieces.
chocolate. Great Winsett fruit.
I'm sorry.
And I swear, if you guys drink this all, you're gonna hate me.
Oh my god.
Drink it all? What do you mean, drink it all?
Drink it all. Drink it. No, get
Because you're not supposed to drink it.
You're not-
What? Is this food? Dude, if it's oil.
What else?
It's not. It's so not oil.
It's not oil or anything like all of
No,
it?
it's not. It's not. I'm giving you guys a little bit.
Well, I don't think it's good to drink it by itself, right?
I don't know.
You know?
Yeah.
Now?
Soy sauce.
Mm-hmm. No,
No,
definitely not soy sauce.
No.
I only know the Filipino term for it.
I don't know any term for it. I've had this before.
I don't think I've had this
Oyster
before.
sauce?
I guess it could be called that. I call it patis. Patis.
Well, what does it say on the thing that you got it
Patis.
Okay.
from? That's what it says on the thing you got it from?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
I think it's from like Thailand or something.
Oh my gosh.
That was really
I think it
good.
is. I like it.
I put it in my mouth and that was just not. I need to stop putting stuff in my mouth, you guys. Alright, you guys. So subscribe if you want to put some stuff in our mouth. And I'm just kidding.
Wow.
Go to their channel, check out the video. I shall see all of you angels later. Very Asian.
We're like finishing your.
Could you like snort hot chocolate?
Oh my gosh, I don't know.
Would you get sugar high or just like high?
You'd probably just burn your nose.
I don't know. These are the things I think about you guys.